Electrify Expo, wreaking havoc. Route 66 ready. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. The Chrysler brand returns to charge up Electrify Expo Long Beach for the second year in a row. Attendees will be able to get behind the wheel of the Chrysler Pacifica plug-in hybrid and enjoy a host of displays, including a modified version of the hybrid minivan sporting 22-inch wheels, front and rear spoilers, and more, courtesy of Van Culture. For more information and tickets, head to electrifyexpo.com/attend. The Ram truck brand took the wraps off the exclusive new 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition, offering off-road truck enthusiasts an even wider selection of unique content for even greater personalization, and featuring a unique combination of technology, graphics, performance, and exterior appearance straight from the factory. Available in extremely limited quantities, the Havoc Edition comes in a unique Baja Yellow exterior paint, with black exterior accents and off-road focused interior content. With a starting price of $70,310 plus $1,895 destination, the Havoc Edition will be on sale later this spring. And finally, what does it take to stop a 330 miles per hour nitro-breathing monster? Just ask three-time NHRA Camping World Funny Car champion Matt Hagan, when a parachute failure caused him to drive into the track's sand trap, hitting the safety net and damaging the Operation Healing Force's Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Funny Car chassis. But that's not stopping him, as he currently holds a 58-point lead in the NHRA Camping World Funny Car standings, entering the May 19th through 21st Gerber Collision and Glass Route 66 NHRA Nationals, presented by Peak Performance. Fans can follow all the NHRA action at dodgegarage.com. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.